Welcome to OnboardingME, a personal instruction plan designed to familiarize you with our company and your new position in the metal forming industry. This program will provide the fundamental awareness and confidence that you will need as a new employee so that you may move about the facility and function safely and knowledgeably during the first days in your new working environment. In this video, you will discover some interesting historical facts about the metal forming industry, the types of products produced from metal-formed parts, and the importance of metal-formed products in everyday life. Metal-forming companies, like the one you are onboarding with today, produce a large array of commercial, transportation, military, medical, and telecommunication products, including products that preserve and cook our foods, clean and dry our clothes, heat and cool our businesses, homes, and schools. You will learn about the personal safety equipment you must wear before walking out onto the manufacturing plant, learn to recognize various signs that identify risk hazards, and learn about eye wash and first aid stations that are available.
In the event of exposure to metal chips and corrosive and non-corrosive materials, Eye Wash Solution provides for the quick drenching or flushing of the eyes and body. Eye Wash is available in either squeeze bottles or at stations, such as the one shown here. In this example, the employee pulls on the handle to remove the plugs, releasing a gentle flow of water, then uses his hands to open his eyes widely to fully allow the water to flush the eyes. With eye wash bottles, the employee flushes the open eyes by squeezing a plastic bottle. Your supervisor will alert you to the location of the emergency eye wash stations.
You will learn the importance of safety and good housekeeping, understand proper material handling and the disposal of materials, and recognize machine safeguarding. Lockout-tagout is the safety procedure that disables the energy supply to the machine to protect yourself and others from unexpected machine movement or startup that could cause injury during servicing or repair. Here's what a locked-out piece of equipment looks like. Only authorized employees can place or remove lockouts on equipment. Never try to operate or remove any locked-out switch, valve, or device. If required, you will receive detailed training on this important subject. You will learn about what to do in the event of workplace emergencies. Be aware of the various emergency response measures that our company has in place. Understand the importance of following directions during weather emergencies and/or building evacuations.
Emergencies and disasters can strike anyone, anytime, and anywhere. At home, these can include power outages, fire, and flooding, to name a few. Though extremely remote, these unfortunate situations also can occur in a manufacturing environment. The presence of high voltage, machinery, chemicals, and obstacles introduce additional potential hazards.
You will learn who is responsible for quality and the departments that are accountable for quality. You will also learn about quality standards organizations and the industries they serve. The objective of good manufacturing practice is to create a system of programs, policies, processes, and facilities that prevent errors and defects. Specific groups of people or departments, such as manufacturing engineering, quality engineering, and management teams, are accountable for establishing and monitoring the effectiveness of the company's quality system. But it is everyone's responsibility in the organization to assure these systems and processes are implemented and used properly to assure no non-conforming material is produced or leaves the manufacturing facility. You will learn about employment law, know where to find and be able to identify postings and signs related to labor law, understand the intent of Equal Opportunity Employment, the Americans with Disabilities Act, and the Family Medical Leave Act.
As an employee, you are entitled to certain rights backed by federal and state laws. The U.S. Department of Labor's Wage and Hour Division is responsible for enforcing labor laws on various topics. These topics include the minimum wage, overtime pay, record keeping, child labor, family and medical leave, and more. Collectively, these laws cover most private, state, and local government employment and protect more than 135 million workers in more than 7 million establishments nationwide.
You will learn about our code of conduct, understand the meaning of privacy and confidentiality, know what behaviors are and are not acceptable in the workplace, understand that bullying, violence, sexual harassment, substance and alcohol abuse in the workplace will cost you your job. In our daily lives, we expect to be treated with courtesy and respect. The same holds true in our work environment. We expect all of our employees to treat each other, our customers, our suppliers, and our visitors with respect and courtesy at all times. That means bullying, abusive language, harassment in any form, and violence will not be tolerated. You will be introduced to the many advancement and career opportunities that are available in the metal forming industry.
Due to the wide variety of machines and processes and the specialized skills that are required to operate and maintain them, many career and advancement opportunities are available to metal forming employees, especially those who perform their work with integrity, demonstrate that they are reliable and dependable, display a positive attitude, and are dedicated to the advancement of not only themselves, but also their coworkers and the company.
A personal instruction plan designed to familiarize you with our company and your new position in the metal forming industry. Welcome to OnboardingME.